Wellness Waves, a podcast by Fortis Healthcare to discuss health and wellness-related topics with nationally renowned experts from Fortis. Join us on this enlightening journey and ride the waves of wellness.
That is really interesting, sir. Does the robot do the surgery in the operation theatre?
No, actually for a lot of common people, it looks like, oh, will I be under the knife of a robotic machine in the operation theatre? I think we have not advanced so much in the world yet. Robotic surgeries are also called as a robotic assisted surgery or a robotic arm assisted surgery. All these robots currently work under the direct supervision of a trained surgeon. And in fact, the hip replacement or a knee replacement surgery called robotic surgeries cannot be done without a surgeon actually doing the surgery currently. So hence, these are all in reality are robotic assisted surgeries. Only thing robotics will do is they do the complex activities, surgical precision, which the human eyes cannot do. In reality, in the operation theatre, the surgeon is doing all the steps of the surgery, where the robot will be surgeon's hand, which will help him to do the activities very precisely. And hence, nobody needs to be worried that will it going to be a surgical robot and the surgeon is at home and the surgery is done by a machine and what will happen to me if something goes wrong. It is not that way. These surgeries are done with the help of a robotic arm called robotic arm assisted surgeries.
Wow.